my god! Wow! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting day because I have a special unboxing for you all. Recently I ordered some IoT equipments from Sagarika Electronics, a local store here in Bhubaneswar. They are known for offering a top quality IoT sensors and microcontrollers at affordable prices. I can't wait to see what's inside this parcel that arrived just this morning. So as we can see, the box packaging is so satisfying. Let's keep this aside and let's see what are the things in this box. So let's see, the first thing is Zero board, which costed me around 25 rupees. I ordered 5 pieces. Head over to the next equipment. This is a soldering wire from Univolt, which cost me around 110 rupees. Coming to next equipment, this is 3.7 volt 2000 mAh lithium ion battery, which cost me around 95 rupees. I ordered 10 pieces. This is 18650 battery 2 cell holder, which cost me around 40 rupees. I ordered 10 pieces. And this is a 2 cell battery charger for 18650 batteries, which cost me around 290 rupees. And this is a soldering paste, which cost me around 16 rupees only. And these are buzzers, which cost me around 15 rupees. And these are RFID tags, which cost me around 150 rupees. I ordered 2 pieces. And these are Node MCU ESP8266. This cost me around 240 rupees. And these are Type C charger modules. I ordered 10 pieces, which cost me around 35 rupees each. With this charging module, we can able to charge our 18650 batteries with our Type C charger. And these are jumper cables, which cost me around 1.70 paisa for each jumper cable. So that's all about the things in the box. I will be providing the Sagarika Electronics WhatsApp number, and I will provide the links as well. And if you are from Bhubaneswar, I will be providing the location of the shop, so that you can simply go to the store and purchasing whatever you want. So I hope you like this video. Then do hit that like button and also share this video among with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one.